top stories. Timer bomb found planted in front of the office of Ward Development Committee at Sinzamay, Chingamaka, Misnam Lekai. Manipur Secretariat Service Association to intensify its cease work strike as the state government fails to give any positive response. Students of Hairok Higher Secondary School hold protest against the lack of adequate teachers in school. Prime Minister to inaugurate Kartavya Path newly christened streets from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. India records 6,365 fresh COVID cases along with 33 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Hello, good evening. You're watching Pony TV English News. I'm Christina and now the news in detail. A timer bomb was found planted by some miscreants outside the office of the Ward Development Committee at Sinzamay, Chingamaka, Misnam Lekai this morning. Soon after receiving the information, a team from Infal West Police arrived at the scene and the bomb squad safely detonated it at the same place after around 3 hours of trying to defuse it. As per the report, the miscreants informed Thongam Tomba, spouse of Ward number 16 Corporator Thongam Eliza, through WhatsApp text about the bomb being planted at around 8:30 in the evening yesterday. The timer bomb was discovered while being searched after Infal West Commando had cordoned off the entire area. The bomb was detonated safely as it cannot be defused due to the digital timer bomb used in it. DGP P. Dongle and Minister WANGKHEMCHA paid a visit to the site and took stock of the situation. Speaking on the matter, Thongam Eliza stated that although no one has personally threatened her, 27 IMC cooperators have been demanded for Rs 10 lakh each. And because the IMCs has not responded to their demand, her husband had received a WhatsApp message from the miscreants warning him about the bomb. Manipur Secretariat Service Association MSSA has categorically stated that they will intensify its cease work strike as the state government has failed to provide any positive response to the 9-point charter of demands, including the withdrawal of transfer order of Secretariat Assistant GAD M. Roman to Manipur Bhawan, Kolkata. The cease work strike continued today as well, according to the MSSA President Purozit Lyric Gimbam. The cease work strike, which has been continuing since 5th of this month, has not received any positive response from the government. He further said transferring government employee who is presently posted at Secretariat to Manipur Bhawan, Kolkata is against the rule and demanded cancellation of the order. The association also demanded great pay of Rs 1,800 in respect to Group D Secretariat employees, as well as great pay in respect of the post of caretaker at Rs 4,600. Re-engaging retired officers should be stopped. Immediately release of retirement benefits and pension, and ensuring promotion process to fill up vacant posts are some of the demands mentioned in the Charter of Demands submitted to the government.
Service kita leramba ama aku kalta ki bhon da Manipur ki bhon kalta da lebu da tha da to ko pa du masing se rule na yada ba service ki rule na yada ba du masing se tau da na phajana akoi chaning da na ma di tek da guide na masa masa ki service ki phajana pi na ma my respective officers sing ji da akoi tar ri bi se phajana le na ba ki photo ne du na akoi na khudom mi thila thilaga ononin do bogi mong sung ma chathabagi thabakse tahon davida yamna formality ama oina yamna uniform oina madugi thabaki transfer posting ki khangde dagi makogi assignment khangde yamna fair and ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯄꯔꯦꯟ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯩ.
Hairok Higher Secondary School students staged a protest at the school campus today, demanding to provide required teachers due to the lack of many teachers. In this government school, 1,200 students in classes 6 through 12 have been taught by just 40 teachers. Later, a rally was continued all the way at Hairok Market. Placards that read "Provide proper education, provide necessary teachers, no education without teacher, and no teacher, no future" were also used by the protesting students. A class 12 student protester, Abujam Lenin, claimed that there are more than 1,000 students enrolled in the government school, but only 40 teachers are employed to teach them. He said the state government transferred 16 teachers to other schools in the past 2 or 3 months, and 8 teachers had retired, but the government has not yet sent any replacement. As students need teachers in order to learn, he urged the concerned department to fulfill their demands at the earliest.
Home science की subject की करी और तो bio what को जामे हम वाले अदु वो कोई सरकार में कहीं थाबी ना कुछ हम तो लेते अदु सरकार में कहीं थाबी ना होने ना पिंटो जरी अदु का कोई ये वजह और मुझे एग्जाम मलाक सुरक्षा बने ना खर्च ना थाबी ना वही नहीं चाहिए.
2 people were killed and 5 got injured after 2 swift cars had head-on collision near Holiday Cafe in Sangay Prao on Airport Road. The accident took place yesterday at around 11:22 p.m. The deceased person have been identified as Potsumbam Punshiba at 27, son of P. Ibocha of Kodompokpi Mamanglekay, and Tokchom Boy age 35, son of Leti H. Ibocha of Sagolban Kurao Makong Ningtongbam Boyai age 29, son of Let and Inaw of Kwagaitel Tiam Lekay. Okram Bison age 20, son of O Tambo of Chingnungkok. Tokchom Lantoy, age 21, son of T.H. Bella of Langol Housing Complex. Yumlembam Rohit, age 31, son of Y. Ningtem of Kwakaitel Awangtiam Lekay, and Kumtozam Nimol Chan, age 31, son of Raghumani of Sagolban Sayang Kurao Makong, who got injured in the accident, are undergoing treatment at Rats Medicity Siza Hospital and Rims Hospital. A new faculty block and Dr. Kamal Hall of Psychiatry, Department of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences was inaugurated today. The inauguration program was attended by RIMS Director Dr. A. Santa, renowned singer, and Manipur State Kala Academic Awardee Chongtham Kamla, Medical Superintendent of RIMS Dr. N. Sanjeev, and Head of Psychiatry Department Professor Dr. R.K. Lenin. Addressing at the program, filmmaker and composer Aribam Siam Sharma stated that hospital is a place where people give birth and die, so we should worship this place. He said if one's mental health is maintained, their life can be successful, and parents should instill human values in their children at an early age, since everyone needs to know whether they are successful in life or not.
Mayam chana da bang to ki awab sule bu akhoi chana di ma chana di tu hai bi hum but in gona ma to ni hali no gona shan ma to ni hali ngami pa ngami thar yaw tra di nak tra di adi yang important pun na lo de ko ni pa yaw de ti ko la ba aguna ma bu yaw ga da mayam thawai yaw bu ko ma ran ji ni jo ma ma ko ni Pawai pai ni tahu namanya, aduna makundi, aduna yaw terbodi, mayamna hai bisi nak tertolak terpandang, yamna awal bertinggi bagi wari mayam dekoi, aku ni ayam filosofi yang dia lebih teradi, yamna leshe, jadi kalau dia kerja, paling jauh example the Jesus Christ jauh. Pasik alkoi pang tinggal hati bani mula kacina jujah desi.
Dr. R.K. Lenin, speaking at the event, stated that maintaining mental health is essential for living a happy life, and the hospital will engage on several fields to promote mental wellness, he added. International Literacy Day on the theme of transforming literacy learning spaces was held today at the Department of Adult Continuing Education and Extension, ACEE, Manipur University. Dean of School of Education at MU Professor T. Inaubi, Head of ACEE Department, Dr. Chanam Sonia, Head of Department of Education, Dr. Premlata Mesnam, attended the event that was organized by the department. Speaking to the media, Head of ACEE Department, Dr. Chanam Sonia, stated that International Literacy Day has been observing since 1964 and the department has been observing it every year with the topic provided by the UNESCO. She said as part of the event, certificates have been distributed to participants of a 6-month skills training program in 3 different trades and a 45-day literacy course done in conjunction with today's activity at Monsange.
Ngasi program masi mari leina apoi na field the adopted area hai tare Monsange da koi mine mangani gi literacy course ama to sagi koi gi chatra sing na volunteer teacher oiraga makoi bo koi na apoi gi gift amadi certificate apoi na issue to jai ngasi distribution oina program masi mari leina na transforming literacy learning space hari base digital dagi space laiba ka kai kanu se mangan da na puna makse larik se mahai daga apoi gi shanti propak namna bagi timne na ehang na khanjai masida base auraga makoi na UNESCO na kibira patim
Shiv Sena has demanded for declaration of 10th and 11th IRB recruitment results, citing mental depression amongst the candidates who appeared for the recruitment. Speaking to the media on the occasion of inauguration of a new office building of the party at Babupara today, Party State Unit President Moirangthem Tombi said many of those who appear for the recruitment are now on the verge of surpassing the age limit for government jobs, suggesting that authority may arrange alternative option of providing small-scale skill training under MSME for those who fail to crack the recruitment. M. Tombi said this would help them cope with the distress they have gone through. He also urged the authority concerned to take necessary precautionary measures for protecting indigenous people of the state in view of railway beginning service in the state. Leaders of the party's youth wing were also elected on the occasion.
अखोई की मतंग चाना दरबा जोनोसो स्कूल के मनिंग लेबा आर्मी सेक्टर से मसी लौथोगा गाड़ी पार्किंग उठोक याय स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने पैसा लाखने अदुगा आर्मी दु मागी केम टू द एटेस्ट ऑप्शन निबे याबो पोलम ने असि थम्मी से अखोई की याम सेंग हाय कान असि दगी हेना चाउन लेरमा साम राइफल बो होंदोखरे असि होंदोखबसि व्हाई नॉट करी गी यारो नो अखोई की बाजार मचाम खक लेबसिदा येतुम लेबसु बिलामती लेबसु यो लेबसु सिंग लेबसु थाउ लेबसु पुनमक मार्केट से असिदा पुनमक मार्केट थमे मार्केट से खितंग सेंट्रलाइजेशन तौद्रे कोनो उमांग खर थंबे याय लंफेन थंबे याय तेरा थंबे याय क्वाइजे थंबे याय लमलोंग थंबे याय ना पूरा सिदा मार्केट थमजले अदो मार्केट से पुन लोरे अदो हुजिक लेब ट्रेन से स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ना अथु मतमदा अखोइना तहोनिंग से ओवरब्रिज साबसिमगा पार्किंग सिमगा अदो लोइना 10 and 11th IRB की रीजन हाइदो बसिमा मसी यामना कोई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट.
Let's take a short break. Keep watching.
DS Enterprises Kashamthong na organize tawba mga suba langbal kaikil nakadol ba September gi tang tara ga tagi October gi tang tara ga nitoi pawba palace compound na leiba aptak kangjebing da pangthok sargani
Langbal Kaitil asida Manipur da lairiba furup khudingmakki cultural item amadi store sing thongbidani.
Mangarak suba Langbal Kaitil asida national amadi international gi oiba
asida gambling item amati yawjaroi handloom handicraft amadi disabled singi oina Sol 20 khudong tawa thamjai.
Tongan musical event rock show Manipuri matam isai loinana with the star dance competition amadi fashion event kaya su Langbal Kaitil uba phongbigani.
Please come and enjoy at Langbal Kaitil.
Please come and enjoy at Langbal Kaitil.
Welcome after the break. Legendary Indian boxer MC Mary Kom, a 6-time world champion, has been sidelined for competition for several months due to a serious injury. However, she has been making progress after undergoing reconstructive surgery for ligament injury she suffered in June. The gold medalist from the 2018 Commonwealth Games could not defend her title at the Birmingham Games as she suffered an unfortunate injury during the 2022 Commonwealth Games trials. MC Mary Kom has requested the Mission Olympic cell to remove her name from the list for the government's Target Olympics podium scheme's extension. Tops Mary Kom pinned down a note on her Instagram handle where she urged the Mission Olympic cell to consider youngsters more for the upcoming Olympics. First, she thanked the government for providing her with all the necessary support to that, and they noted that she thought it was time to let a younger athletes get support to chase the Olympic dream. The Assam police today seized 40 exotic animals from 2 Delhi-registered SUVs at Rangia in Lower Assam's Kamrup district. Police say the animals were transported in the 2 Toyota SUVs from the Mizoram-Myanmar border and were bound for Siliguri in North Bengal via National Highway 31. The seized animals include wallabies, exotic chimpanzees, rare tortoises and monkeys. 2 people have been detained after finding the rare animals packed in cages. The officials said the 2 persons caught with the exotic animals were being interrogated for information about others involved in the animal trafficking trade. The animals have been handed over to Assam forest officials for deciding what to do with them. Mizoram detected a total of 135 cases of dengue in a span of 8 months, starting January till August this year. This was informed by Mizoram Health Department Joint Director Malaria. Of the total 135 dengue cases logged in Mizoram since the beginning of 2022, 84 of the cases were logged in the month of August alone. 51 dengue cases were detected in Mizoram between the month of January and July. Mizoram capital Aizawl recorded the maximum number of the total dengue cases, with the tally standing at 106. However, no casualty due to dengue has been reported thus far in Mizoram. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to inaugurate the Kartavya Path, a newly christened strait from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate, and unveil the 28-foot statue of Netaji Subhas Bose today. Kartavya Path will have red granite walkways with greenery all around, refurbished canals, state-wise food stall, new amenity blocks and vending kiosks. The mega event is expected to be jam-packed with attendees, and elaborate arrangements are in place for the scene. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, along with 118 Bharat Yatris as well as other party leaders from across the country, began the second day of the All India Congress Committee AICC's Bharat Judo Yatra today from Agasthivaram in Kanyakumari district in Tamil Nadu to combat the divisive politics of the BJP-led center, to awaken the people of the country to danger of economic inequalities, polarization and political centralization. People greeted Rahul Gandhi on the way and exchanged notes with him. Kanyakumari is a stronghold of the Congress, with sitting MPs and 3 MLAs who have put on a massive show for the Yatra. After hoisting the flag at the campsite of Bharat Yatris on Thursday morning, Rahul Gandhi made a first stop at the higher secondary school in Suchindram, Tamil Nadu's Kanyakumari, just about 15 kilometers from the starting point. Before that, a flag hoisting was held at the campsite of Bharat Judo Yatra in Kanyakumari. More than 3,500 kilometer mass rally that was flagged off from Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu will pass through 12 states and 2 union territories in about 5 months before culminating in Srinagar, and the participants plans to walk about 22 kilometers daily in 2 batches from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Ahead of launch, Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh said that the Yatra will be a turning point in India politics and will mark a new beginning. India recorded a total of 6,365 fresh COVID cases along with 33 fatalities due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,44,78,636. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, 6,614 has been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,28,090. Out of 33 fatalities, 14 were from Kerala, 5 from Maharashtra, 2 each from Delhi, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal, and 1 each from Haryana, Odisha, Punjab, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu and Uttarakhand. Taking the Delhi positivity rate at 1.96%, the total active cases has declined to 50,342 in the country. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.70% as per the data. According to the Health Ministry, 214.27 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in the country so far under the national-wide vaccination drive. Before we end the bulletin, let's look to the headlines once again. Timer bomb found planted in front of the office of Ward Development Committee at Singzame, Chingamaka, Maisnam Laikai. Manipur Secretariat Service Association to intensify its cease work strike as the state government fails to give any positive response. Students of High Rock Higher Secondary School hold protests against lack of adequate teachers in school. Prime Minister to inaugurate Kartavya Path newly christened straight from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India again. India records 6,365 fresh COVID cases along with 33 fatalities in the past 24 hours. That's the end of today's bulletin. Thank you for joining us.